Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Recycle Win to Windows 11 taskbar. For this, right click on the free space on the desktop and select here New and then Shortcut option. In the location box, copy and paste this one path that you will find in this video description. After that, click on this one Next button, then name it Recycle Win. Now click on this one Finish button. Again, right click on this one shortcut icon. Select here Properties option. In the Recycle Bin Properties, click on this one Change icon button. Now place this one path from this one path that you will find in this video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Now select your recycle bin icon of your choice and then click on this one OK button. Then click on this one apply button. Then click on this one OK button. Now select this one desktop shortcut icon and right click on it and select then show more options and then click on this one pin to taskbar option. This will pin recycle bin icon to the taskbar. Whenever you will click on this one recycle bin icon, it will open on your Windows 11 PC.